Good morning and welcome. We're here in Kensington to show you our latest project. We're really rather proud of it. We've been on it for 8 months. We're looking to finish in September, and it's really quite a special project. This is the property we've been working on for about 8 months now. It's in Kensington. It's a lovely house. It's a beautiful day. Let me show you around the property. So it's a full refurbishment, inside and out. Currently we are doing the front, rear and side facade, cleaning the brickwork, repointing, but also we are addressing all the other areas like front garden, and I'll show you the rear garden shortly. This is the rear garden space. We've got a lovely sized garden. Doesn't look that lovely at the moment, but it will be. We've also got some really significant air conditioning units that have gone in, which we are currently having final fix on, and we will then be hiding them discreetly as possible. The actual property itself, you can see 6 stories with an extension at the lower ground floor, which we are progressing nicely. Lots of guys on site working hard. Even up here, we are looking to finish this extension roof area shortly in order to be able to get the doors in, that's the next stage, and the walk-on roof light. So kitchen space has been developed and looking good. Walking through, you can then see the space that we've created all the way through on the lower ground floor. This had previously been partitioned into many different rooms, and we now have a completely open plan space with stairs coming down. So this was quite a clever steal here. In this section here, we did have a previous loo, but what we've tried to do is create more space and more light going down to the lower ground floor by creating that as a landing or a lobby, and actually moved the ground floor loo to this space here, which was actually dead, but also there was brickwork here up to this point. So we actually reclaimed that, which in this part of London is actually worth quite a lot of money. As we come up through the property, we're entering into the master suite. So this will be master bedroom, bed on this wall. We then have walked through to an ensuite bathroom. You have cupboards on the left with air conditioning within, and on the right, walking into this master bathroom, really quite spectacular. Walk-in shower here, loo, bidet, bath, double vanity. And then coming round, we will have a bank of wardrobes all the way along here, but then with 2 of the leaves of that wardrobe's doors going into an additional walk-in dressing area, which will be fantastic. So this is the family bathroom, just being finished off here. Not massive, but quite an unusual space. Just having decoration continued. This is then the next bedroom at this level. All the bedrooms are relatively similar. Very large, with wardrobe areas with air conditioning built in. So this is 3rd floor, and we have another bathroom, all in the same style. Just showing you finished fittings. So not massive, but it does the job. Another large bedroom on the 3rd floor. Again, walking to this space to be able to show you similar layout, large bed, wardrobes, air conditioning. And then coming through, final element on this floor is the study area, which is here again, joinery along here, air conditioning, and then a nice study space. Finally, on the top floor, we have a guest suite or nanny suite, staff suite. Again, wardrobes with air conditioning, quite a decent sized space. Space for a desk in the corner, and then through to another small ensuite. Again, really quite a nice size for what is a small space. And that comes through to the final element, which is a utility space on the top floor, which actually works beautifully because it can be a staff kitchen accommodation, but also with the washing and drying element, it can be the laundry for bed sheets, clothing, etc., not requiring them to have to go through the house.